Dear friends, welcome to the channel. Today we will be making an all-time favorite food called Nihari. This food dates back to the Mughal dynasty era and is very popular in India and Pakistan. We will start by pouring in half cup of oil into a pressure cooker and set the flame to medium setting. You can use the meat of your choice, but I prefer using lamb shanks. As you can see from the video that I am frying 1 kilogram lamb shanks. Add 2 tablespoons of garlic and ginger paste. Stir and fry the lamb shanks in garlic and ginger paste till the color changes. Now we will add 1 tablespoon of red chilli powder and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Please stir to mix the meat and the masala for 5 minutes. As this is an instant Nihari Masala recipe, we will be using 1 packet of Nihari Masala, which is easily available from the grocery stores. Please stir and fry for another 3 minutes. Now we will add 2.5 liters of water into the pressure cooker and bring it to boil before we close the pressure cooker lid. We will now cook under pressure for 20 minutes. This will help make the meat tender and release the juices into the soup. As the meat is being cooked under pressure, we will add 4 tablespoons of plain flour into a bowl and add 1 cup of water. Mix the flour and the water. Please make sure that the flour is completely dissolved in the water. Now we will pour the water and the flour mixture gradually while stirring in the pot. Please make sure that the heat is set to low flame at this stage. Slowly stir from all directions to achieve an even mixture. Please cook for 15 minutes at medium flame. After cooking for 15 minutes, reduce the flame to low settings to achieve the texture shown in the video. Now take a frying pan and add 1/4 cup oil and half sliced onion. Please make sure the heat is set to medium settings and fry till golden brown. At this stage, we will be adding these fried onions on the top of Nihari. This step is widely used to improve the texture of the Nihari and it also adds to the flavor. Dear friends, our Nihari is ready. We can garnish it with ginger and green chilies. And I highly recommend that you must try this at home. With this, it is goodbye from us for today. Please take care of yourself and your loved ones. And do not forget to subscribe, like and comment on the channel.